All right, we're live. Hey guys, hi again. I wanted to bring another one of our Pin with Purpose graduates on. So this is Amy Circa. Amy, can you tell us a little bit about you and your business?
Yeah, hi. So I help other entrepreneurs and homeschool moms to maximize their finances. They make the most of what you are currently making so that you can keep as much of it as possible, as well as helping you to find avenues to increase your income. And then for those who are looking to start a business, which I do highly recommend for a bunch of different reasons, finding something that'll be a good fit for you and helping you locate the systems that will help that to take off for you.
Awesome. How long have you been in business?
This particular endeavor, about a year. I have been in network marketing now for about 7 years.
Wow. Okay. And when did you find me and Pin with Purpose?
I found you originally, it was March of last year, I think. Showed up on Facebook and I dragged my feet for a while. So I ended up that it cost me way more than it should have because I knew it was something I needed and I kept dragging my feet.
As we all do sometimes.
Mm-hmm.
So you decided to join Pin with Purpose when? Was it?
It was April. Yeah, March, April, right before that launch that you did last year.
Awesome. And what were you using to grow your business before? What platform were you using?
I had taken training on Twitter and that was about it. It was really the beginning phases. I had just gotten my blog started and up and going, so I really wasn't doing a whole lot, but Twitter was the only one I had been trained on.
And then what made you decide you wanted to try Pinterest?
The fact that the Pinterest pin lasts like 1,600 times longer. I also had never used Pinterest before, so like I had no clue how to do any of it. So I knew from what I could see, it was something that I definitely needed to figure out.
For sure. I mean, you tweet, it's gone. You tweet, it's gone. You tweet, it's gone. So what happened after going through Pin with Purpose? Where are you at now?
I had taken a break a little bit in the fall, but majority of my traffic, it's over 50% of my traffic now comes from Pinterest.
Awesome.
And I love that I can set it up and forget it. That's a huge deal for me is like a mom of three with the tools that you taught us and provide. Like I can't be on my computer all day long, so I can set it up for the week and be done.
What would you say is your biggest win that you've had?
I think there's been the most traffic that I've ever had on my blog from Pinterest.
Yeah.
And I think it was probably December or so with some of the holiday blogs that I put out. Like I had never seen that kind of traffic to my blog and people getting added to my email subscriber list and all of that.
Do you know how much traffic you were getting?
I think, I'm trying to remember the exact number off my top of my head. I think it was like 150 people on one day that showed up.
Day?
Yes. And I had a non-existent Pinterest account in April or whenever I started.
How many people did you have coming to your blog before that?
Just 2 or 3 a day.
2 to 3 to 150 in a day.
Yes.
And that's free traffic from Pinterest.
Yes.
That's insane. Okay. How has your email list been growing?
It's pretty steady. I've probably a couple people a week or so.
Awesome. Very, very cool. So what would you say to somebody who's on the fence about joining Pin with Purpose?
Just do it. It's the one of the best courses I've ever taken. And I've taken several. I've learned on multiple different platforms now, and Pinterest is the best one by far and the easiest. And Rachel's awesome. She teaches you everything. Like I said, I had no Pinterest at all before. It was non-existent. And now I've got crazy thousands of amounts of view. Last week I was watching and it would go up 1,000 viewers like every single day were being shown my stuff because of everything that I had put in place. And it's only been a couple months since I've been working on it again.
Wow. Imagine where you'll be a year from now.
Exactly.
What would you
Pretty
say
exciting.
Who's like, I'll just wait until next year?
That's a whole lot of time. A lot can happen a year. I really wouldn't. I mean, when I took the course last year, I was expecting our youngest. She was born July 4th. So we literally finished the course and I had a baby. It
Wow.
wasn't even a whole lot. I wasn't doing a whole lot for there right there, but I had the information so that when I was ready, like I could do it. So I just do it. You got to figure it out.
Just do it. Just do it. Where can people connect with you?
On all the profiles, Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, obviously. It's amycirca.com, and then Amy Circa is my handle.
Amazing.
So,
You guys, we're going to be hosting another live workshop challenge recap, and I'll teach you how to double your leads and sales with Pinterest with my 5-step framework in 35 minutes. I'll put the link where you can join me live for that workshop. Amy, thank you for being on with me. I'm so proud of you and everything that you've accomplished. The best is yet to come, and we'll talk to you soon.
Thank you, Rachel.